guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to make clear slime with Ultimate Slime Lab. So guys, the ingredients needed is super slime mix, spatula, activator, water and bowl. So let's make slime. First I am adding the super slime mix. So guys, I am adding some more super slime mix. So guys, I am adding the water. Guys, I am making clear slime, so I am not using any color. Guys, I want to add some more water. Guys, now I am adding the activator. Guys, I guess I add too much activator. Oh guys, it's turning into a slime. Guys, I just added a little bit of activator and it turned like this. Guys, this is awesome. I like it. Guys, I'm adding some more activator. Oh, guys, this is awesome, guys. It want to be some more mixed. I'm mixing with my hand. This finger, index finger. Guys, this slime is awesome. I loved it. But I want to add some more activator because it is sticky. Guys, I guess it's now ready.
Few moments later.
So guys, our slime is ready. So guys, this is really fun to play with this slime. I liked it and this is so fluffy. And this is too stretchy also, but it's some sticky. It's not too much clear, but I like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this clear slime making video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.